dragging in front of the pumpkins.
For the guts.
Well, yeah, but I don't want them to be seen at the moment.
Oh.
We're doing shots. Well,
Shots.
not that kind of shots. Cheap shots.
Oh, your mom's ugly. There's a shot for you.
Your mom's ugly. Michael over here like, good job, me.
Smashing pumpkins.
She's
Hi, I'm Kitty Gumdrop and you're watching Kitty's channel. So I've already done painting pumpkins this week with Michael and Nate. I almost went Nate and Michael like I've done before.
the identities have changed.
This time, I was going to say this week, I'm so used to doing one video a week, but we're doing two, aren't we? So, last video painting pumpkins, this video carving pumpkins. I said I was going to do it later, and I guess it's later enough, right? So we're going to do it now. Hello, Kitty. You can't. Yeah, he can't be here for this. Alright, go be fat somewhere else. No, it's not a good spot for you.
Go on, Hank. Go venture off into the wild.
Be free!
If you come back, it's meant to be.
Go on now. He's just trying his luck. Go on, buddy. Stay
Still lick his foot.
Dang it, cats everywhere. Come on, Rick.
No, everybody off. You too. Go off. Go poo in the hallway or something. I don't know.
So I think Michael was planning on using a stencil. Nate hasn't quite figured out what he wants to do yet, which is totally fine because I'm just going to be freehanding it. So if you're interested in watching us carve pumpkins for the Halloween season, go ahead and stay tuned.
Time to start this massacre.
I'm literally just going to start drawing, I guess.
Not me.
Is that what we should do first?
You can just start carving if you want.
Got it.
Yes.
Oh yeah, actually, that's probably a better idea. I was getting ahead of myself.
Jesus, perfect.
Make sure you did it at an angle so it doesn't fall in.
No, I'm gonna punch myself.
Wow, honestly, the guts in here pretty non-substantial. I figured there'd be a lot more.
Get up in them guts.
Get up in them guts.
I have a knife.
We're men.
What does that have to do with a knife?
Just men.
Ah, men get stabbed.
Shrug it off and keep chugging along.
Alright, my cap is a functioning cap. No cap.
I'm gonna start saying that when I like something. That is functioning. That is fully functional. Ah! Yeah.
I still yet to get my cap off.
No cap.
No cap.
Where?
I have to take my rings off because they're just becoming a nuisance, and once I get into the guts, that's just something to do.
Can't do it once you're in them guts.
Gotta get them rings off before you get in them guts.
It's usually the opposite.
That is not functional.
It's so not functional.
It's still not functional. I have came to a halt. Let me into them brains. I can't tell like where the part is. It's not letting me in.
Ew, my good
It's
patience.
disgusting. I'm gonna have to dejack it.
Jack it off. Jack it off. Do it with me. Jack it off. In the comments below. Jack it off.
Jack it off.
I'll get that going. My mom always used to call it pumpkin poop. Or maybe she called ketchup poop, the stuff that came out the
Ketchup poop. Tomato poop.
oh.
Ketchup.
Gotta catch up poop.
I'm pretty sure I did my cap too high. I can barely get in there and get them guts. I just noticed I'm putting my guts in your bag.
My sack's invaded.
I don't know where mine went.
Oh, smack that ass. Fucking yuck.
Yuck and fuck.
That sounds like you puked and
The old swirl and swirl.
It just sounds like you puked while getting a swirling.
Who wouldn't?
You better not. Your head's in there.
It's like
Your
my
hand's
butthole
bigger.
after Taco Bell, huh? Look in my pumpkin hole.
Got most of it.
Gaze in to the pumpkin's majesty. Delicious.
Dangler.
Yeah.
Ah!
Don't
Dangle
put your
that.
dangle on my knee. Yours.
Dangle, dangle. My pumpkin is clear of excrement.
Oh, I thought that was gonna rhyme.
If only I was smart enough.
But alas.
I am not. It goes on here somewhere. Like, it came out of there. Go back in there.
Uh-huh. Oh. Goes in.
Fuck it. It's all fucking gets up and kicks it.
Ends camera. Video ends.
Pumpkin punt.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
So we're gonna get started on the drawing, the setting of stencils if we're using stencils, and see where we can go from there ever since we got all those guts carved out. Oh
Yeah.
god, the top popped when I slapped it.
Oh, my top pop. I need a marker.
There you go.
What the?
Ah! We're fine, the hat came off. Don't do as I do, I'm cutting towards myself because like I don't actually think about it until I look down and go, oh yeah, that's towards my chest. Don't do as I do.
I mean, I only got one eye done, but hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Woo! Eyeball number 2. Goodbye to you.
Ooh.
I'm glad that wasn't my leg. It was just the pumpkin.
Oh god.
I'm eager to get this thing done. Maybe a little too eager.
So eager I killed myself. Finishes it as a ghost. Happy Halloween.
I am the spirit of Halloween.
Beware.
Don't hurt yourself cutting pumpkins.
You know, I thought you'd be scarier, I gotta be honest with you.
You know what's scary? Cutting yourself while carving the pumpkin.
Yeah, more like the lecture of Halloween.
Follow me for more tips on how to irresponsibly carve a pumpkin. Yes.
God, this one's such a hard, intricate piece of crap.
Oh my god! My right butt cheek exploded just now, I swear.
It's about as gonna be as good as it's ever gonna be at the time that it's gonna be at when it's there and when it's ready and it's done. Full reading rainbow word salad.
That poor kid. That's his legacy.
I'm sure he's got a lot of Twitter followers. I'll follow him.
We should find him. Everyone follow that guy on Twitter.
Everyone follow me on Twitter.
Me too.
Not me.
Michael doesn't have one, but me and Nate do, and I'll go ahead and throw up our Twitter handles right at the bottom of the screen
Yeah.
for you here.
Yeah.
Follow us if you'd like to hear our tweets. We try to tweet at least something daily. So we got all of our pumpkins carved. Nate got done first, I got done second, and Michael got done third. So I think that's the order that we're going to present them in.
Oh. Mine's just a very minimalistic pumpkin.
I mean, hey, would you mind if I date that pumpkin?
That's where I got inspiration. Check my Twitter, it's my pinned tweet. It's, I like it. It came out way better than my first carved pumpkin did a few years ago.
Get away from the
I'm pretty proud of it. And its head fell off. Clean yourself, boy.
You forgot to wipe.
My pumpkin, I just let my hand go, and that's what I came up with, and then I carved it out, and here we are. There's not much of a story behind that, but that's what happened. I kind of went for a scary pumpkin, but he sort of looks shocked more than anything, so that's where we're at with my pumpkin. So now I guess I'll let Michael present his.
Mine took the longest for good reason. There's like all these small little details and curves in here. I'll just show you. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like really, really small details.
But the good news about the fact that you can't see it is it's going to look amazing when a candle's in it, which brings me to my next point. We're not just going to leave you high and dry with the pumpkins not having candles in them, because what kind of jack-o'-lantern is not presented on the porch with a flame flickering on the inside for Halloween?
Yeah, that's
Jackass
tradition.
lantern.
Jackass-o'-lantern. In order to not be jack-off-o'-lanterns or jackass-o'-lanterns, We plan on going outside and presenting these. However, I'm going to go ahead and do the outro to the video, and then we're going to pop out there and check them out on the porch because it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, and I live in an apartment building, and my neighbor is my mother, and I really would prefer not to get in trouble at 27 years old.
And
That's embarrassing.
And she will too, trust me.
Mm-hmm. If you liked that video, go ahead and leave a like down below. Comment your favorite pumpkin, which one you like the best after you see them lit up in a moment. Go ahead and wait for that because that's going to be the best part of the whole video. We got Nate's pumpkin, Kitty's pumpkin, and Michael's pumpkin right over here. Cast your vote down below as soon as you see the results outside.
Welcome to our porch at 3 o'clock in the morning. I have to be quiet or I'm gonna get yelled at, and if I see that curtain move, it means my stepdad has noticed me speaking. So we got all of our pumpkins here. I'm gonna scoot up and move down the line so everybody can see what they look like a little bit closer with the candlelight flickering. Got my pumpkin glowing, beautiful right there. Nate's pumpkin right next door. And Michael's pumpkin, which looks an awful lot like a Chinese dragon to me.
It's cool. I like it.
Alright. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Roll that beautiful bean footage.
Why are we looking at bean footage?
I thought you said bee footage, like my shots are just shitty. That beautiful bee footage.
This is the stuff that goes at the end of the video.